Hello. So, welcome to the Stocking Profit podcast. My name is Jonathan Obise, and I am the founder of Paruto Capital. So, today I'm going to be talking about why, or what rather, not why, what successful Forex traders don't tell you. Okay? So, now, Forex trading, of course, over the years has garnered a lot of, reputation, both good and bad, I'll tell you. But of course, it offers potentially lucrative opportunities. At least that's the reputation, the good reputation it has. Now, it has also drawn traders from all walks of life. Think about everyone from students and schools to workers, middle class, workers, investors, big time, financial folks, literally folks from every walk of life they can think about, have tried trading because of the lucrative opportunities it offers. Now, countless success stories circulate in the trading community, highlighting impressive profits and financial freedom. However, behind these tales of triumph lie the untold realities and crucial insights that successful forex traders rarely share. Today, we'll uncover the hidden aspects of forex trading that are often left out of the spotlight. When you look at a lot of successful traders, all they show you is, cars, they show you houses, they show you watches, they show you whatever it is that they show you, whatever vanity trophy they have. And these are the things that attract people to the world of trading. But for any sincerely successful trader, behind all of those flashy stuff, it's years of hard work, years of experience, years of failure. Okay, so let's just look at some of the hidden aspects of forex trading that literally all the successful gurus don't tell you. One, the learning curve is steeper than advertised, and that's the truth. This is why on the Stock and Profit mentorship program, the roadmap that we have outlined is actually 12 months at minimum. And that's because in reality, even after you learn technical analysis, you need some time to be able to experience the market and develop your psychology. So one thing they don't most likely they don't tell you, nobody's going to be showing you a Lambo and tell you that the learning curve is steeper. They'll just say, hey, this thing is possible to do it, and they give you all the good stories. Maybe they want to sell something to you, but the learning curve is steeper than advertised. Now, when you delve into the world of forex trading, you're bombarded with promises of quick profits and minimal effort. Because imagine, for example, a trader tells you, oh, I just trade for just 30 minutes in the day. I just look at my chart. If I don't see something, I'm done. For you to do that, you have to, of course, you would know that that person has spent a lot of time, a lot of years in the market, and it's not just something they just woke up into. You just have to learn into forex for 1 month, and then they can just look at the chart 30 minutes and they know what's happening. That would take some time, right? So this, is the reality. Now, gaining a deep understanding of market analysis, risk management, and trading strategies demands countless hours of education and practice. Even the most triumphant traders have faced periods of frustration and failure during their learning journeys. And this is the truth. This is something you need to know. Now, the second thing, or before that, now, conservatively, you will need anything from 1 to 5 years of dedicated learning, practicing, failing, and growing to find consistency and profitability. And that's even being really conservative. The Stock and Profit program, for example, would help you to achieve that. Our promise is within 1 year, you're able to become profitable, and funded. Now, here's an example. Now, John, a successful forex trader, spent years studying various technical techniques and testing strategies before achieving consistent profitability. He encountered numerous setbacks and had to adapt to changing market conditions, highlighting the importance of a patient and persistent approach to learning. The forex market is going to really humble you. By the time you go through it, and when you come out refined. Now, the second thing I think that is not also mentioned, by a lot of the forex gurus, is that risk management takes precedence over profits. Some people say, oh, always take profit. It's true, but if you don't have a proper risk management, you can be taking a profit of 1 to 0.5, and that's just like reverse. You're losing more than you're winning, which is not the best, right? So risk management takes precedence over profits. Now, amid the tales of trading triumph, what's often glossed over is the pivotal role of risk management. Successful traders don't just focus on chasing profits, They prioritize protecting their capital from significant losses. This means setting, stop loss orders and avoiding over leveraging. Risk management isn't a glamorous topic, but is the foundation upon which sustainable trading success is built. Now, here's an example of, say, a seasoned trader always ensures that her potential losses are limited by setting strict stop loss orders. She acknowledges that even the most well-researched, trades can go south, and her priority is preserving her capital over chasing unrealistic gains. This is covered extensively, of course, in the Stock in Profit program. Now, the third thing, I think the third, not the second, yes. So the third thing that, successful Forex traders don't tell you is that psychological resilience is non-negotiable. The mental aspect of trading is really discussed in detail. Behind every winning trade, there are countless moments of doubt, stress, and emotional turmoil. Maintaining the disciplined mindset, controlling impulses, and learning to accept losses are challenges that every trader faces, right? I face it. Successful traders often invest as much, effort in mastering their psychology as they do in refining their strategy. Here's an example of Emily, a successful trader. She emphasizes the importance of emotional control. She shares how early in her career and impulsive decisions led to significant losses. Over time, she developed mindlessness techniques and a strict trading, routine to keep her emotions in check, leading to better decision making and more consistent results. The next point is consistency trumps big wins, right? It's easy to be lured by stories of traders who turn small investment into massive fortunes overnight. However, the reality is that consistent, steady gains are a more, sustainable approach. Because instead of waiting for just one big win, you can actually just consistently take your profit in the market. Now, successful traders don't always hit home runs. Instead, they focus on making regular calculated trades that accumulate over time. The goal is to build a reliable long-term strategy rather than relying on occasional windfalls. Now, an example here of Michael is successful Forex trader. He highlights that his steady approach of making modest profits over time has been more rewarding than chasing big wins. He acknowledges that while the occasional large wins might occur, it is the cumulative effect of a consistent approach that has sustained his success. The next thing you need to know is that market analysis is a continuous process. Now, the image of traders making split-second decisions based on intuition is literally a Hollywood fantasy. In reality, successful traders devote a significant amount of time to continuous market analysis. This involves, studying economic indicators, technical charts, and staying up to date, on global events that can impact the market. Forex trading demands a demands a commitment rather to ongoing research and analysis. An example of Maria, a successful Forex trader, dedicates several hours each day to market analysis and research. She closely follows economic and news releases, studies technical patterns, and considers geopolitical factors. Her ability to make informed decisions is a result of her commitment and her dedication to staying informed both on the chart and also off the chart. Now, the last point I want to share with you is that there's no one size fits all approach. Now, what works for one trader may not necessarily work for another. A successful, trader understands that there's no universal formula for success in Forex trading. So anybody selling you holy grail or whatnot, forget about it. Now, they often develop their own strategies based on their risk tolerance, trading style, and market analysis and understanding. This individual approach, requires patience, experimentation, and the willingness to adapt to changing market conditions. Literally, you cannot buy experience. I tell members of the Stock in Profit community that they have to tailor all they learn in the course of the program to suit and fit the personalities they have. Now, here's an example of Alex, a successful Forex trader, emphasizes the importance of talking tailoring strategies to personal preferences. He shares how he experimented with various trading styles before finding a combination of technical and fundamental analysis that suited his risk, appetite, and lifestyle. In conclusion, Forex trading is a complex and challenging endeavor that demands dedication, discipline, and a realistic perspective. While tales of instant success may dominate the narrative, the unspoken realities mentioned above shed more light on the true nature of trading triumph. Aspiring traders, Forex traders, should approach the market with a willingness to learn, an emphasis on risk management, strong psychological foundation, and a focus on consistency. So, by acknowledging all of this, this often, unmentioned aspects of successful trading, individuals can set themselves on the path toward achieving successful and increased chance of success. So there's no other better place to start than to start with the Stock in Profit mentorship program. And if you use the code MyParutoCapital, you're going to get 5%, during checkout. So that is it. It's been a pleasure sharing with you. I look forward to sharing more with you on the next episode. Peace, stay stuck in profit, and bye-bye.